The desktop jewelry laser welder features a compact design, combining lightweight convenience with robust durability. It's easy to move and perfectly suited for any workspace. There are 3 switches. Turn on switches one by one, following the correct sequence. This machine equipped with high-resolution microscope that can easily see every detail of jewelry. The clear display helps you focus on small parts, making welding more precise. You also see key settings like current, pulse width, and frequency right on the screen. The machine also features foot pedal control, allowing you to start or stop effortlessly. The laser welding machine is widely used across multiple industries. Whether crafting fine jewelry, repairing watches, or working on electronics, it has accurate and reliable results. With the ability to weld a variety of metals, including gold, silver, brass, and stainless steel, this machine is perfectly suited for creating and repairing rings, necklaces, bracelets, and more.